Okay, so let's go over these steps for finding your percent change. They're very similar to yesterday. So let's go through them quickly, make sure that we have them and we understand them. Find the amount, you're writing as I write, of change by finding the difference, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, between the new amount and the original amount. If it's negative, you know it's a decrease. Find the percent change by dividing the amount of change by the original amount, and then state the value, it's that last step, so important, as a percentage increase or decrease. Very important to know that percentage. When you do that division, you get in a decimal, and you got to convert to percentage by multiplying by that 100. Let's go over the first one of the I got it practice together. So a computer that cost $1,099 last year costs $999 this year. That's a good discount. Well, decent discount. What is the percentage change in price? And is it an increase or decrease? Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. I'm gonna underline that right there to make sure when I get to my final answer, I'm on point. So again, now read back and annotate. A computer that cost $1,099 last year. So let me under that. $1,099 last year. So since that's last year, that's gonna be my original price. Now, lucky for me, it's on sale and it's $999 this year. So that's gonna be my new price. All right. So all right, we got that much. So let's go now. Our change is always going to be the new minus the original. Change is equal to new minus the original, CNO. So change is equal to my new price, $999, minus my original price, $1,099. And that's going to be equal to, when I do my subtraction, and I know some of you did it in your head, but I want to go through the process. So for some who don't do it in their head, I know how much time it takes you. And we got $100. And of course, it's negative $100. So negative automatically tells me it's a decrease. I don't need this negative moving forward, but I know I have a decrease. So I'm going to go right here to my bottom, and I know I'm going to have a decrease. So here, decimal change over the original. So it's going to be 100 is the change. My original is 1,099, which is going to be equal to, I do my division, 100 divided by 1099. And I'm going to be left with 0.090, and I'm going to go 99. I put more than I need, but you're going to see why it makes sense in a second. So, okay, we here. Last but not least, I want to convert that into a decimal. I know it's a decrease. We got that. But then now, I know I must take this same decimal here, and I must move my decimal point 2 spots over. So I'm going to get 9.099. But of course, back up there, they said to the nearest tenth of a percent. So I know I got to round over. So I know that's going to be equal to 9.1%. So my final answer, in order for me to be 100% correct, I must put that it's 9.1% decrease. If I don't put that decrease there, I'm actually off by 18.2%, because going up 9.1, I'm skipping it down to 9.1 that I should have went. 9.1, the decrease must be there for this to be correct. Okay, let's look at number 2. Let's do this together. Well, what does it say here? It says the sale price of a game during holidays is $24.95. Okay, sale price during holidays. Its regular price earlier, okay, this earlier is a key word for me, in the new year was $36. So let's do that. Let's re-annotate. Sale price is $24.95, but its regular price early in the year was $36. So even though they stated this first, I'm going to take the regular price as my original, okay? And I know about my sale price is my new price. Okay, I got that. Now, should the percentage be less than 10%, equal to 10%, or greater than 10%? Let me think that through. Well, I know the change here from 24 to 30 is like about 12, right? And I know it's $24.95, but I say it's about 12. But I know earlier, especially from the Mad Minute, that 10%, if I want to get 10%, all I got to do is divide by 10. So if I divided 36 by 10, I know I'm getting something like about between 3 and 4. So if something between 3 and 4 is equal to 10%, and my change is 12, oh no, this has to be greater than 10%. Now I left you the hints here, and I want you to take a second to write it in your own words.